This is gonna blow your mind. Say goodbye to grease forever with AQUAQUICK 2000. AQUAQUICK 2000 is the ultimate eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning solution that makes stubborn grease vanish. From the bustling kitchens of McDonald's to the fryers at KFC, this powerhouse cleaner tackles it all. Imagine a cleaner that not only wipes out all types of oils, mineral, synthetic, vegetable and animal fats, but also breaks them down into harmless byproducts like water and carbon dioxide. That's right, AQUAQUICK 2000 leaves only nature-friendly traces behind us. And it's odorless, non-irritating and safe for your skin, plus it's non-corrosive, meaning it won't damage your precious kitchen equipment. Got grease traps, dirty surfaces or oily equipment? AQUAQUICK 2000 handles it effortlessly, making your cleaning routine a breeze. And guess what? It's proven in the toughest environments, ensuring hygiene, efficiency and compliance with the strictest standards. So why settle for harsh chemicals? Switch to AQUAQUICK 2000 and enjoy a cleaner kitchen and a cleaner conscience. AQUAQUICK 2000. Clean conscience, clean kitchen. Say goodbye to grease and hello to AQUAQUICK 2000 today.